Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to talk about Snowflake Cloud Data Warehouse migration from Oracle to Snowflake tips and tricks. This is the fifth video or fifth tip from Snowflake Cloud Data Warehouse migration from Oracle to Snowflake tips and tricks playlist. Here what I am going to do, I am going to create two tables. One is the stage table, another one is the main table. This stage table having the four columns with all data types as the varchar. Okay, let me create the table first. If it is table is there, I'm going to drop the table stage underscore student. Yeah, table drop. Now I'm going to create a table stage underscore student with four columns: s number, s name, s height, s weight. Here student height and student weight. So let me create this one. Table created. Now I'm going to insert these two records into this stage table. Now let me show you the data from stage table after inserting into the stage table. Yeah, so these are the two records. We see expected data. Now what I'm going to do, now as part of the you know loading the data from stage to main table, let me create a main table. Before creating, let me drop. Okay, table is not present, so that I'm going to create student table here. Please note that here student name, s number is the varchar, s number is the number, s name is the varchar of 100, and s height is the number, and s weight is the number. So in the stage table, all columns data type is varchar, but in the main table we have a specific data type. Now what I am going to do, I am going to insert the data from stage to student by applying the to underscore number function for s number except s name, because no need to, this is the string. So now let me insert the data. Okay, two rows inserted into main table, that is called student table. Now I am going to show you the data from student table. So here we got the expected result. I mean, for student 1, name is the ram, and height is the 5.6, weight is the 65.6. Same way for jack also same. So we got the expected result. Now we will see the same code as part of the migration from Oracle to Snowflake. You are going to migrate the table structure is the same. Then we will see what will happen. Is there any problem with that code? If there is a problem, then how we are going to rectify that problem. Okay, now let me go to the Snowflake. Here I'm going to use the public schema from demo db database, and then let me set this one. Yeah, so I'm going to create the student table. Before creating, if it is there, then I'm going to drop that one. And here also same structure, whatever that is there in the Oracle, same structure I'm going to create. And I'm going to insert the data into stage table. After inserting the data into stage table, here is the data. So we have the expected data in the stage table. And now I'm going to create the main table. Before creating that, if it is there, then I'm going to drop that one. Yeah, student tab. Now please note that here I am going to create the table student table with the data type is the number for weight and height. Okay, same like in Oracle. Now I am going to insert the data from stage student to main table student with the same transformations like to underscore number. Now we will see after inserting data into uh, you know yeah, two rows, number of rows inserted 2. Now we'll see the data from the student table. See here we have a problem, like see height is, it is, I mean rounded, the value has been rounded to 6 6 and 66 69. This is the problem. Our expected output would be as it is, whatever it is there in the stage table, we should see the after inserting data into main table. But here in Snowflake as the 38 comma 1 with the scale and precision. Okay, now so create or replace, no need to drop the table explicitly. So I am going to change the structure. So this is the, in this situation you cannot create the table as it is from Oracle to Snowflake. So we have to change the first data type. Okay, a number only, but we have to create a precision and scale. So now that is done. Now let me insert the data from stage table, because data is already present in the stage table. So now, okay, two rows has been inserted, and let me see the data from query data from table. So now still we have a problem, like 6.0, earlier 6 only came and 66 only. Now after changing the data type we see zero point 0, but that is not expected output. So still we have a problem, even though we have changed the data type. Okay, instead of number we have put the scale and precision. Now what I'm going to, still we have a problem instead of that. So we, this time we are, so to overcome this issue, what we have to do, we have to use the to underscore number conversion function, along with you have to specify the precision and scale while inserting the data from stage to student, like this. So let me truncate the data from the table which inserted previously, which is not expected output. Now after this, this is the conversion function to underscore number. Here I specify the, along with the actual value, here I specified the precision and scale for both weight and height columns. Now let me insert the data. So here I've inserted the data, number of rows inserted 2 rows. Now we'll see the data from the table student main table. This is the expected output. We have got the expected output. Okay, 5.6, 5.8, I mean with decimal, with scale and precision. So while converting Snowflake to while converting or migrating your code from Oracle to Snowflake, you have to take care these two things. One is the table structure you have to change, and another one is the you have to tweak the code to underscore number, and along with the actual value you have to pass the precision and scale. That's all from this video. Thank you.